I see that your fair greed is even better than yesterday.
Yeah, it's better than yesterday.
Yes, we're getting close to greed.
Yeah.
Don't be too hopeful.
But I feel like it might take a while to see greed because there's still so much, caution, with all of these markets. I kind of
feel that something is going to happen and bring it down. That's okay. So
the catalyst is downward. You're looking for.
Yeah.
I'm looking for upward, but let's see. It might come. We're at 44 points this morning. Let's see the market cap. Let's see what's happening there. We see it's $1.14 trillion. If you flip over to the market cap there, we see that's down about 1.35%. And we see volume traded $73.66 billion. That's up about 3.43%. We're seeing volume coming in this morning. Bitcoin dominance there, 40.16, down margin about 0.08%. Let's see what's happening with the price of Bitcoin this morning there, $24,014 there, just marginally up 0.28%. We did have the bears push down the price from that 25K. We got to 25K on Sunday, but we see that battle raging between the bull and the bears at that price. Hopefully some catalysts can take it above that. Price of Ethereum now, $1,880. This crossed $2,000 over the weekend. Volume traded $18.87 billion there for Ethereum. Let's look at the top alts by market cap there. We see BNB up 0.08%. That's the token for the Binance exchange there. Marginally up this morning. Cardano, 55 cents, up 0.21%. We see eCash also in the green. It's the biggest mover this morning, up 1.78%. We see XRP, the laggard there, up 0.04% at 37 cents. Let's bring in Bjorn Martins now, CEO, Passive Income Token. Hello, Bjorn. Great to see you after a long time.
Good to be here, Larry Williams. Thank you for having me again.
Yeah,
good to be here again, of course.
Yeah, great to have you, Bjorn. So I saw a report yesterday showing about 700 extra tokens were added to the crypto market, even though there was that downturn in the market. So it's still over 20,000 tokens, Bjorn. I'm wondering, do we need more tokens in the crypto market?
Definitely not. There's a big no, honestly. As everybody can know, 20,000 cryptocurrencies unnecessarily a lot for the markets we're in at the moment. We don't even have that much of a utility yet for cryptocurrencies, as the most used utility at the moment are stablecoins, where you can really pay something with, and Bitcoin, of course, as a store of value. Next to that, we got blockchains where tokens can operate on. But 20,000 tokens is way too much, and again, 99%, as I always said, will disappear off these tokens.
Right, and looking at these tokens now, all of them claiming to disrupt one industry, or the other. So what do you think investors should be looking at? You go into the market now, you see over 20,000 tokens. What should you be looking at to separate the chaff from the real projects?
So as you see as well, of course, the top 100 are the real big tokens. They got a market cap of over $1 billion, and these investments are more seen as a little of secure investment. As soon as you're going to go invest in one of the other 90,900 tokens, you're going to go to micro caps, small caps, basically the same as penny stocks back in the .com bubble. It's a high risk, so if you want to take that risk, do good research, check if there are real owners, check if they're have a good concept for their token and real utility that can drive the price in the future. And always, try to dollar cost average back to the big tokens as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, the bigger boys in the game.
Yeah, talking about the bigger boys in the game, it almost seems like when you come into that market, maybe you don't want to go past the top, maybe 500 tokens. What do you think?
I would say you can look a little bit further as well. Of course, it's a higher risk the lower you go in the ranking. But yeah, as we chatted yesterday as well together, it was a lot more easier when the whole token market only exists out of 1,000 tokens. And of course, there are always really good investments in these ones. There are new ones coming up, but it's a high risk. Everybody that starts in cryptocurrency, I would recommend just stay with the top 100 at first, get to know the market, get to know these tokens that operate for a longer time on a higher market cap, and see why they operate on such a high market cap.
Right, I guess don't go into the market and maybe say mini, mini, mo, which one's going to go up. Yeah. All right, thank you so much, Bjorn. Always great to have you.
Thank you, Ladi. Have a good day, man. See you later.
Too. All right, now let's flip over to the top gainers. Let's see who's topping the gainers list. We see it's Chile's token there. It's up about 19.96%. That's a double-digit gain we're seeing for Chile's token. They're one of the fan tokens. It's 20 cents. ANKR, that's been moving for a while now. It's up about 7.57%, 4 cents. And we see GMT there, one of the move-to-earn tokens there, $1.08. We're seeing that industry quite quiet for a while now. We see Doge, the king of the meme coins, back on the top gainers list. It was there it's like 3 days now. We're seeing a Dogecoin there, 8 cents, up 5.24%. We know that's Elon Musk's favorite token in the market. We see, let's see what's happening with the top 5 losers there. Celsius, the biggest downer this morning, 25.76%. They have that issue with their liquidity there. Uniswap token there with decentralized exchange, that's down 4.70%. GRT, the graph, 13 cents, down 4.29. And we see Flow chart there, down 3.19%. So we're seeing a huge battle between the bears and the bulls in the market right now. So it depends on what catalyst we might be seeing coming into this market that could take it.
What are the possible catalysts?
For now, we're still looking at, U.S. for some data. We saw China data that came out, pulled the market back, but we saw the market actually because shrugged that off real quick.
If it was the United States, I think the market will still be bleeding at this time. Yeah,
even though,
but I
China
think that market
too.
Generally are kind of adjusting to the realities of now, which is high inflation, high interest rates, liquidity squeezed, and and they seem to be adjusting to say, oh, this is our new reality. Let's just deal with it.
Maybe we could just stay invested regardless. So it's risky though.
Yes, it is risky.